We are going to find the value of 4 divided by 2 over 5 times 5. This 5 on top, this 5 bottom can be cancelled off. So the answer is going to be, let me write it here, 4 divided by 2. As you know, 4 divided by 2 is 2. If your answer was 2, you are wrong. Why? Because to solve this type of question, we need to follow a set of rules that is called the order of operations. The order of operations says, in this case, when we have both division and multiplication in one expression, we need to start from left and go to the right. So first we need to do division. 4 divided by 2 over 5. Let's see what is this. 4 divided by 2 over 5. 4 can be written in the form of 4 over 1. So it is division of two fractions. To do division of two fractions, we need to follow KCF. But what is KCF? K stands for keep, C stands for change, and lastly F stands for flip. What does it mean? K, keep the first fraction, so I write it here, 4 over 1. Change, division to multiplication, and lastly flip the second fraction. 2 over 5 is gonna be 5 over 2. Now we have multiplication of two fractions, so it is gonna be 4 times 5, 20, then 1 times 2, 2. As you know, 20 divided by 2 is 10. So 4 divided by 2 over 5 is 10. Next, 10 times 5. All you know, 10 times 5 is 50. And 50 is your answer.